Hi, and welcome to Billetto. Let me show you how easy it is to create your first event. Just click the Create Event button and let's get started. You might need to enter your email address and choose a password if you haven't done so already. So let's start by entering the name of your event here. I'm going to create a fictional cooking class for this example. Next is the name of the organizer. It's either you, the organizer, or the company name you're working for. Next, I will select the date and time my event starts on and when it finishes. I'm going to make it a 3-hour class for this example. If the location you're holding your event at is on Google Maps, you can actually just start typing it up here like you normally would in Maps, and then you can just select it from the drop-down. You can also just manually type up the address. Since my example is fictional, I'm going to type in a manual address. Next up, the event description. The more information you give about your event, the better. You can also play around with formatting of the text, like basic HTML, the text formats. You can also insert pictures, videos, and links. So I'm going to make my heading bold, and then I'm going to style it a little bit with a separator. I think I want to add a picture of a dish we're going to cook in the class, so I can do so here. And then I'm going to add some more text in bold to describe the dish. I want to add another picture, a dessert, and maybe make the description in italics. Looks good. I also want to add some links to the school's social profiles, like I can add a link to Twitter here and to Facebook later. I will now select a category. So mine is food. This will help others to find your event on Billetto better. It will appear with all of the events related to food. Right on, so to the most important part, the tickets. You can create a few ticket types on Billetto. You can create a paid ticket, that's just a standard ticket with a fee. You can create a donation, where your guests can choose an amount they want to donate. You can create a sign-up form if you want to create an RSVP form without the payment. You can also add a free ticket, a simple free ticket without the fees. A voucher, like a drinks or food voucher, for example. You can add merchandise like books, t-shirts, or other items to upsell before the event starts. Or you can add box office collection if your venue requires that. So I'm going to create a simple paid ticket since it's a paid class. I'll charge £100 for this, and I'm going to limit the tickets to 25 because I can only teach 25 students at a time. You can add more than one ticket type as well. Here's an example. I can add a free ticket for existing students and later add an access code in the event settings that will unlock these tickets to people that enter the code. But I don't need it here for this example, so I can just delete it. So here's another cool thing you can do. I don't want to make the tickets available for sale just yet, as I want to build some interest around it first. So I can actually schedule my ticket sales to start and end on a certain date and certain time, like so. Here you can also choose if you would like to include the ticket fee in the ticket price or if you would like the ticket buyer to pay the ticket fee. You can mark the ticket as only being accessible with the access code and add it later, and you can also limit the amount of tickets available per purchase. I will limit mine to 2 tickets per order since it's an exclusive class. So all I have to do now before I publish my event is to add a picture. I have one handy here, and I also know how to crop it. The dimensions of the image are in the image description, so in case you have some specific art in mind, you can check the dimensions first. Now, my event is almost ready to go live, and I'll just give it a quick review to see if the description is what I want it to be and if the picture looks good. Right before I publish it, I'll make my event private. It's an exclusive to the students of the school I'm working in, and I don't want people to find it by searching the web or searching Billetto. Only people that have direct link to my event can view it and buy tickets. Okay, so we're ready to publish. So it looks good, but hey, the tickets are not available. That's because they're not on sale yet. I can also just get back to my event settings and make them available on sale right away. It's a private event anyway. So here it is, and you can now click away and purchase the tickets. You can also customize the event even further in the Manage section. Here you can add access codes to exclusive tickets, add additional fields to tickets, like ask people if they want to be added to your newsletter and such. You can check how your sales are going, you can download your guest list, and you can even resend and refund tickets to the ticket buyers. You can find more information about all of these additional features on our support site. So I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to see what events you're going to put up.